Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making instant radish pickle. This pickle is very instant and it's a very rare and very tasty pickle because radish normally used in salads, but we are making a pickle of radish. So what we have to do, first take a radish, peel the radish and make the slice them and put it into a jar container. Then take 1 inch of ginger and make the julienne of ginger. Add ginger julienne into the radish. Then take 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, slice them and add it to the achar container. Then add 2 teaspoons of vinegar, mix it. Now add a pinch of red chili powder, mix it again, add a little bit salt or salt to taste. When you add salt, the radish will leave its juices. Now add half a teaspoon of mustard pulse or mustard seed or sarson. Add a pinch of aniseed. Add a pinch of whole coriander seed. A pinch of onion seed. A pinch of cumin seed. And a pinch of fenugreek seed. Mix it all. Then add black salt or rock salt and mix all the ingredients very well. Now add a pinch of turmeric. Now you can make it in 2 ways. If you like your pickle towards citrus side, then add juice of 3 lime, mix it well and leave it for at least 3 hours and your pickle is ready. And second way is to add 3 to 4 teaspoons of mustard seed oil, mix it well and leave it for 6 to 7 hours and your pickle is ready. So try very different radish pickle. Thank you.